Good morning. My name is Darbandhya Radhika. I am from TYBPT. My topic is health hazard due to hospital waste. Content of health hazard: infection agents, toxic chemical, SARS, genotoxic material, radioactive material. Main groups at risk are doctors, nurse, and paramedical workers. Patient in health care establishment, visitor to health care establishment, workers in allied service, example laundry and waste, holding and transportation workers in waste disposal facility include race pickers, example landfills and incineration. Hazard from infection waste and SARS, HIV, hepatitis B, hepatitis C, and antibiotic resistance bacteria. Chemical and pharmaceutical waste, corrosive, burns, explosive, genotoxic waste. Toxic manifestation depend upon substance toxicity, amount exposed to, and time period of exposure. Radioactive waste, headache, dizziness, and vomiting after small exposure. Serious health problem in exposure in high public sensitivity. Public is very sensitive to the visual impact of healthcare waste, especially anatomical waste. Thank